So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do using ILovePDF is you can go ahead and then scan the file with your mobile phone and then sync it out right here onto ILovePDF as well. So to do that, you need to go to ilovepdf.com, of course, and then go to scan to PDF option right here. You can also access the scan to PDF option by going around over here onto the PDF, all PDF tools right here, and by going on to scan to PDF. So once you do that on your mobile phone, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and then scan the QR code right here, just like this. So you need to go ahead and open out that particular link right here, just like this. And what happens is that your mobile phone should have ILovePDF file right here that is installed out. And then you will see it right here, just like this. So it says looking for a document. So let's just go ahead and then snap out with my mobile phone. It actually detects out the edges, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and click on next, and then you can go ahead and finish. And as I do that, you can see that it is transferring from my mobile phone right here onto the web version right here. So you can go ahead and press done right here, just like this, as you can see. And then in a while, you will get the file right here. And now you can see that this is what you have. You have your scanned file right here, just like this, showing up. So you can go ahead and now select out portrait, or you can select out the paper size as you wish. You can add in a bit of a margin as well. And if you have done multiple scans, you can merge all images in one PDF as well right here. And you can see you can even go ahead and show out the QR right here, just like this, to go ahead and scan and add in more images right here. So this is what you have. And as you click on save to PDF right here, just like this, it converts out the image right here as a PDF file right here. And then you can go ahead and download it out. So if I were to go ahead and download this and then open this out, this is basically what you have, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and scan out your document to PDF using ILovePDF scan feature. And then you can go ahead and then scan it to ILovePDF desktop app, that is the web app right here, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.